everyone! Today we're going to make a delicious and juicy beefsteak recipe. Beefsteak is a versatile and tender meat that can be prepared in various ways. And this particular recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. So let's get started. Ingredients: 1 pound beefsteaks ribeye strip or fillet, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, -2 lemons, sliced, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, -1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon ginger, minced, 2 teaspoons hot chili powder, fresh herbs to taste: parsley, thyme, or dill. Instructions: 1. Season the beefsteaks with salt and pepper on both sides. Then pat them dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. 2. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the beefsteaks to the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until your desired level of doneness is reached. 3. Remove the beefsteaks from the skillet and let them rest for a few minutes. 4. In the same skillet, add the minced garlic, sliced lemons, red wine vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, ginger, and hot chili powder. Stir everything together and let the sauce come to a gentle simmer. 5. Once the sauce has reduced and thickened, transfer it to a small bowl and let it cool for a bit. 6. To serve, place the beefsteaks on a serving platter and spoon the sauce over them. Garnish with fresh herbs and serve with your favorite side dishes. And there you have it, a delicious and juicy beefsteak recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy!